Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to talk about how you can get Spotify Premium for free, the free trial, but then for a lifetime. But first, let's hit that subscribe and like button, it really helps me out. So for this, we don't want to go to the app, but we want to go and open your web browser. And it can be Chrome, it can be a Safari, it doesn't matter. Then type in the search bar Spotify Premium free, and here you can see that you have 1 month free and 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. So of course we can click on this one, and here you can see you go to the web browser of spotify.com and not to the app. That's very important. So here you can see that instead of the 3 months you usually get, you get here 3 months of Spotify Premium. So you can start a free trial, and here you just need to enter the code you received. If you haven't received this code, go back and click on the 1 month free. So here you can view different plans, and you can see like 1 month for free, individual, duo, or family, or a student. Well, let's click on the get started for 1 month free. And here you can use your credits or your credit or debit card or your PayPal. So important to this is that you pick one of these two things, enter all of your digits right here, and then start your free trial for 1 month. Then as you can see here, the end will be, you won't be charged until April 13th. So make sure you set a note in your agenda on April 12th to make sure you cancel the free trial, because then you won't be charged. What you're going to do next is you go back to plans and see if there's a 3 month trial or still a 1 month. If you have a 1 month, then just choose another card to pay with, or pay with your PayPal, or make another account with another email, and you can use your next free trial. And this way you can go on and on and on. And sometimes they have really good offers they send to you, and once in a few months, they have longer free trials. I hope this helps, and enjoy your free trial. Thank you.